This is like summer in a glass. I mean, look at that. Just a refreshing, boozy, I mean, look at that garnish. This is the Dorado Punch, and it is a fantastic hot weather drink. So good. You know who would love this drink? Vino at 60 Second Cocktails. I think I'm going to DM him a photo on Instagram. All right, just send it away. I hope he's not busy.
All right, let's see. How we doing on time, folks? How we doing on time? Oh, and I just got a DM from Rob on Instagram, so he's my screen's blocked. Oh man, this is going all kind of wrong. All right, folks. Look, we're not going to make this one in time.
Yeah, I'm sure it's fine. Okay, let's make this drink. So this is the Dorado Punch. It originated from Jerry Thomas's How to Mix Drinks, and it was actually from an addendum from a newer version. I first saw it on the Educated Barfly channel, and it quickly became a summer favorite for me. So we're going to start with an ounce of brandy and follow that up with half an ounce of bourbon. I used a Saint-Remy VSOP for the brandy, and I'm using Bullet for the bourbon. After that, we're going to do half an ounce of Jamaican rum, and I'm using Ray and Nephew because it's overproofed and it's got a nice funky grassy taste to it, so it'll stand up to the bourbon and the brandy, and we're only using half an ounce. After that, we're doing a full ounce of lemon juice. This is kind of like a sour. There's no egg white, but I mean, you know, it's basically spirit, sugar, lemon, so it follows the same sour profile. After that, 3/4 ounce of simple syrup. I'm using a Turbinado Sugar syrup, so a little extra flavor there, but if you got plain simple syrup, that'll work just fine. And there you go. Those are the components of the drink. It's pretty simple. For that, we're going to fill it with ice. You can use any kind of ice you want. I'm just using, it's just store-bought ice. It's kind of small pieces. This would work really well with crushed ice, work well with cracked ice. You don't want like a big, ice rock like you would for an old-fashioned. We are serving in a rocks glass. Do a straight pour. If you need to top up with ice, do that, but I reached the top perfectly. Look at that. All right, for garnish, we're going to do a mint bouquet. It's going to be very summery. It's going to just look good and aromatize the top. And let's stick a straw in there. And after that, we're going to top off with just seasonal fruit, whatever you got. Want to put some berries on there, a couple orange slices. I'm doing a blood orange slice and some fresh cherries. So it's really going to give it that kind of summery punch look. Look at that. Beautiful drink. Like it's just so good. It's boozy, but it's sour. It's refreshing. Just a fantastic summer drink. Out in hot weather. I mean, I can drink 2-3 of these and then just bask in the sun. Fantastic drink, guys. I hope you give it a try. And we'll see you next time. Cheers.